Embarking on a dropshipping venture necessitates establishing a robust legal foundation, and forming a limited liability company LLC is a prudent initial step for safeguarding your personal assets from business liabilities. LegalZoom is a popular online legal service that streamlines the LLC formation process. This explanation will guide you through the steps involved in setting up your dropshipping LLC using their platform, presented in a clear and concise manner. The process of setting up your dropshipping LLC on LegalZoom. Navigate to LegalZoom's LLC formation page. Begin by visiting the LegalZoom website and locating their LLC formation services. You will typically find this under a business formation or similar section. Select your state of formation. Choose the state where you intend to register your LLC. While you can form an LLC in any state, it's generally advisable to choose the state where your business will primarily operate. Consider factors like state taxes and regulations. Choose your LLC name. You'll need to provide a unique name for your LLC. LegalZoom will allow you to check the availability of your desired name within your chosen state's business registry. Ensure the name complies with your state's naming requirements, and consider including a designator like LLC or limited liability company. Provide member information. You'll be asked to provide the names and addresses of the LLC's members, owners. For a single member LLC, this will be your information. Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC is required to have a registered agent who is responsible for receiving legal and official documents on behalf of your business. LegalZoom offers registered agent services for an additional fee, or you can choose to act as your own registered agent if permitted by your state, and if you have a physical address within that state where you can receive service or process during regular business hours. Define your LLC's purpose. You will typically be asked to briefly describe the nature of your business. For dropshipping, a general description such as online retail sales or e-commerce will usually suffice. Review and select additional services. LegalZoom often presents optional add-on services such as an EIN, employer identification number, application with the IRS, which is necessary for opening a business bank account, and for tax purposes if you plan to hire employees or operate as a corporation in the future. For a dropshipping business, obtaining an EIN is generally recommended even if you are a single-member LLC. You may also be offered assistance with creating an operating agreement, which, while not always legally required, is a crucial internal document that outlines the ownership structure, responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. Review your order and submit payment. Carefully review all the information you have provided for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, you'll proceed to the payment stage to finalize your LLC formation order with LegalZoom. LegalZoom handles the filing. LegalZoom will then prepare and file the necessary formation documents with the Secretary of State or equivalent agency in your chosen state. The processing time can vary depending on the state. Receive your formation documents. Once your LLC is approved, the state will issue official formation documents, often called articles of organization or certificate of formation. LegalZoom will typically forward these documents to you. Tip for dropshipping businesses forming an LLC. Consider obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS as part of your LLC setup, even if you are the sole member and do not initially plan to hire employees. Many suppliers and payment processors require an EIN to establish business accounts, which helps to keep your personal and business finances separate and enhances your professional credibility. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize LegalZoom to establish your LLC, providing a crucial layer of legal protection for your dropshipping business. Remember to consult with legal and financial professionals for advice tailored to your specific circumstances.